sins away. He taught me how to watch and pray.